Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to open up my seltzer here and take a sip. Today's video, I want to give away, guys. And I won this from Liana over on It's a Deal. She had a little like incognito giveaway where you just had to say Hoppy Easter and not Happy Easter, Hoppy Easter, which I did. And look at how it arrived. Everything is in this little canvas bag. Let me see, can I move this up a little bit? So look, my sleeve is soaking wet. I just went to put the sink on and my sprayer was stuck on, which leads me to believe that somebody, because every now and then the button will stick, so somebody put it back while it was on. It wouldn't just go on by itself. Somebody would have had to hit the button. So did somebody know about this earlier? I don't know, but I'm soaking wet and cold, but I didn't have time to change because I'm on a schedule here, and this is giveaway reveal time. So here's a little bag. It has some bunny ears. It has a little bunny tail. This little burlappy bag. So let's get into it. It's stuffed, packed with goodies. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I am loving this little bag. It's adorable. Maybe I'll give one of the kids their Easter treats in that bag. How nice would that be? Okay, so let's get into it here. First is this cute little egg. This reminds me of those Fabergé eggs. Do you remember those? They were made out of an egg. Like the actual egg was cut and painted. My grandmother had a couple of those. My mom never did. I don't think we would have ever had anything that fragile in our house when we were younger. And then here we have a pack of 4-piece. It says includes clip. Decor includes clip. Well, let's just see what that means. Includes clip. I don't see. Well, I don't know what that means because I don't see any clips in here, but these are super adorable. I love them. They're just like twine wrapped carrots. Ugh, so cute. And then here, oh, if you guys could feel this, I think I'm going to bring this upstairs and use this for the rest of the day. I'm still working. Yeah, I'm going to use this for the rest of the day. Let's see how this writes. I don't want to use too good of a piece of paper. So that comes off. It's a really fine point. Oh, it's like one of them roller baller things. It's not like a Bic, you know, Bic pen. What's that called? This is more of a like a markery looking look, but oh, just as I'm working, I'll be like, ugh, and then squeeze that. Perfect. I'm going to bring it up there. I think I'm going to bring these with me too because I do not have any post-it notes upstairs. So these are super cute for the spring. And guys, I need the spring right now because it's so cold and I'm tired of it. What is this? Oh my goodness. Look at these little bags. Let's open these too. I'm opening everything up because we have to see how cute these are. I'm just looking at these ears. So we have a little bunny and big floppy ears, and then the bag is a drawstring, so we can do that. Oh, look at how cute that is. That is so cute. And I want to tell you, Liana is in California, so I'm not sure what store this is coming from. Oh, this I guess is their Dollar Tree. Greenbrier, that's Dollar Tree, I think. Oh, really nice. I haven't seen those in our Dollar Tree. Here are some butterfly rosettes. Look how cute they are. And they all have the little dimensional tape on the back to put those right on our projects, which are great because I'm working on some spring-like pocket letters. These will go perfectly on. Silly Sweeties sticker face. Oh, look how cute. So it's a book of faces, right? And then stickers to put on the faces. How fun would this be? You know what? I think I'm going to bring this upstairs and I'm going to play with this with my, can we each get one page? Can it work like that? or do we have to share? And then there's 2 more back here. I think I'm going to bring it upstairs, and my husband and my adult children and I are going to play with this. How fun. This is, I'm just loving it. And this is going to hang in my craft room. I'm absolutely going to hang this here. $1. Wow, that's really nice for $1. And it's nice soft pom-poms on a string there. Easter pom-pom garland. Here we have some more Easter stickers. And just your basic Easter, flat Easter stickers. There's some shiny ones. There's some smaller ones. Oh, I love these. Hop, hop, hop. So pretty. And then here we have some chocolates. Mini milk chocolate bars. So these are cute. I'm going to save these and put these in for the Easter baskets that I'm making the fam. Oh, I feel like I'm all of a sudden very verklempt here. And then here are some cute stickers. They look like they're clear. And I wonder if they could go on an egg. Like if I could put them on an egg. They look like they might work well that way. We'll see. And here is another pack of, they're kind of, they look puffy, but they're not really, but they are dimensional. Like if you could see, they are kind of dimensional. But the balloon, oh guys. All right, well, this is a great giveaway. I loved it. Check out Liana's channel. I will link her down below. And I am actually going to take out my Easter bucket, my Easter tote, and see what I can do this weekend as far as putting up some decorations for spring and Easter, since spring starts this weekend and Easter is really early this year. I actually wanted to take some Easter egg, you know, the Easter eggs that you do, the Easter egg hunt, and tie them on my tree outside. I see people in the neighborhood do that. It looks kind of cute, so I'm thinking of doing that also. All right, guys, well, have a great day. Take one more look at this cute little bag, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.